In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your online banking account with PNC Bank. This easy guide is perfect for those who are new to online banking or simply need a refresher. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident accessing your account. So, let's dive straight in. First, let's open a web browser of your choice. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever one you prefer. Then type in or click on the URL www.pnc.com. Press enter, and this will take you to the PNC Bank's official website. It's always crucial to ensure you're on the correct website, as this is your first line of defense in protecting your online banking information. Once the website loads up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the home page. Here, you'll find the Sign On section. This is where all the magic happens for accessing your account. It's important to always look for the Sign On link on the official site to avoid any potential scams. Now that we've found it, let's move on to filling in your credentials. In the Sign On section, you'll notice two fields asking for your user ID and password. Go ahead and enter your online banking user ID in the first field. This is your unique identifier, so make sure it's correct. Next, move to the password field and input your password. It's advisable to type your password rather than using copy-paste to avoid mistakes. And remember, always keep your passwords confidential to maintain your account's security. Once your credentials are in place, sometimes you may be prompted to choose an account type, like whether you're accessing a personal or business account. This step is usually straightforward. Just select the appropriate account type that matches your needs. Finally, it's time to click that Sign On button. This button is your gateway to accessing your account dashboard, where you can perform all banking activities such as checking your balance, transferring funds, or managing your personal details. Click it and you'll be directed into your account dashboard, ready for you to navigate through. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your PNC Bank online account. Remember, always log out after you've completed your tasks, especially if you're using a shared computer. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more comfortable and secure using PNC's online banking services. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!